How to apply for Santander Bank credit card online. It's a very quick and easy process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the search bar, you have to search for Santander Bank Sign Up. Head over to the very first site, set up a personalized online bank account. It will land you on the official page of Santander. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, click on Login. This interface will pop up on your screen. As we're looking forward for applying credit card account, you have to click on First Time User Enroll Now. Wait for a while for it to load. You will be landing on this page. In the identification options, you have to select ATM debit or credit card option. After that, you have to enter your Santander ATM debit or credit card number. Once you have entered the card number, the next thing you want to do is you have to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and then click on continue. After that, you have to follow the on-screen process as it will include the verification and the creation of your account. Once you have completed all the process, your account will be created successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can apply for a Santander Bank credit card account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.